Okay guys, it is, what is it? Is it Thursday? Thursday morning. And I just thought I'd show you what it looks like out here. We still got a little bit of snow over there. A little bit of snow back here. And a little bit over there. So, it's supposed to start snowing this afternoon. We'll see how much we get. Okay guys, it is Thursday afternoon. It's 5:20 and this is what's going on. So it was supposed to snow all night and I love it. I just thought I'd give you a quick peek. Okay, it's getting a little bit snowier up here. Probably at 8,000 feet. We're at 9,200. I love it. And these tires are amazing. Okay, in the neighborhood. So we're about 9,500 feet here, and actually we're going to go down a little bit. We go up and we go down a little bit to where we are. So we're at 9,200 feet. So I've been in the neighborhood for probably more than a mile now. And it's pretty snowy. I used to be so scared of driving in the snow, but after 20 years, it's really not bad. There's probably already about 6 inches. No, it's got to be more than that, because usually for it to cover the road, it's more than that. And I will probably have to wait for the plows tomorrow before I can even get out. It is so pretty, isn't it so pretty, guys? There's a few people that didn't sell their house over the summer, and I doubt they're going to sell it now. So unless you're used to living up here, this is scary. We would have never bought our house if we'd have come up and it had been this snowy. I'm looking forward to getting there. Honey said he'll have a fire going. Almost there. Okay, here we are. Oh, I'm surprised he hasn't been out snow blowing the driveway. Okay, it's Friday. And here's what we got. Honey did plow the driveway last night. So beautiful. We got probably about 10 inches. He cleared off my car last night, and it's been running this morning. But yeah, you can see up there. So anyway, off to work. Check out this sunrise. It is Saturday morning. Look at that. That is really cool. We had a super windy night. We got up this morning and our weather station said that the highest wind speed in the last hour had been 67 miles an hour. I'm actually really surprised that things aren't blown all around on the porch. It was terrifyingly loud and scary, but also kind of cool. I don't know how to explain that. I just can't get over this amazing view this morning. Wow. Maybe it's like this a lot. I just don't usually come out at this time of the morning. It's very cold. But the new puppy Scarlet is digging the snow a lot. She's just down there right now. But yeah, I had to share this with you. It is windy. I mean, it's not gusting really right now, but it is friggy diggy freezing. There they go. Okay guys, I am getting the net because with all the wind, this is what's going on, and I gotta clean it out. The fish look okay down there at the bottom. I'll show you when I clean it out. So I told you guys how windy it was up here. So windy that somebody's pinwheel got away and landed in our water feature. And we're pretty backed up here, so I'm gonna have to clean this out too. We're leaving the house, going down the hill together. Together. That's really crazy. We hardly ever go down the hill together. We're gonna put lights on that tree right there. This is how much snow we have. It's Sunday. What day did it snow? Thursday? Yeah.
Wednesday night into Thursday.
No, Thursday night into Friday. Oh. Oh. It's Echo. And Echo comes around just to irritate Shiva. Well, as you can see, it's a cloudy day, and we're gonna stop here at the Parkside Cafe and have some breakfast. I usually sit outside, but it's a little chilly today. Look at Honey. They hardly ever see you anymore. I've shown this place before. Okay, here's my breakfast. And there's Honey's breakfast. I don't know how to make eggs Benedict, so we have to go out and get them. I don't know what he's looking for. What are you looking for? Oh, you don't know what size. Yeah, you do? Here's our view outside our Home Depot. And here's our stash. go home and hang up Christmas lights. So there's some flakes falling out of the sky. Not very many, but a few. And I have the handy dandy staple gun and the solar powered Christmas lights, and we're going to decorate. Okay, getting ready to go for a ride. Look at Honey, he's all geared up. Going for a ride on the quad. Find some branches for our Christmas display. Okay, here we are. The National Forest. Okay. Don't put your cutter away.
I'm not. Just for let it hit the fall that way.
Okay, here's our haul. Whew. All right. we're about just like the big breakfast in our tummies and hard to breathe going down that hill. Okay, I got these done, and just as I was putting the last staple into it, I broke one of the wires. But my handy Honey came out here and fixed it. So he's not sure that because it's super cloudy and we just got it up that we'll have enough juice for them to come on tonight. So we'll see. It's cold. I don't know if you could see the flakes, but it is snowing, just ever so gently. So I got that done on the front porch, and now we're gonna do Christmas lights. Okay, woo! We are done with the front porch, and Honey has really got into the Christmas spirit. Can you see the snow? It's like been snowing, and he is totally in the Christmas spirit, and he wants to do the whole front of the house, the front of the garage, the windows. Look at Scarlet. Scarlet's in the window. And we're going to do something with that to make it look more like a tree. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. I hope you do too. Well, the Christmas lights on the porch are officially up. And the garland is on there. The light down at the street is, it didn't have enough, it came on for a little while, but it didn't have enough time to get juiced from the cloudy day. But that, and then out here will be a Christmas tree. And I'm going to actually make a post on the Evergreen Echo Hills page and see if I can't get more people to join in and have a, what'd you call it? A parade of lights this year. We'll see. And we're going to be putting up the lights on the back porch tonight. I love it. Okay, we're getting ready to go down the hill. It is Monday afternoon. Honey forgot to get lotto tickets, and at one point, we don't play the lotto, but at 1.9 billion. Huh? Yeah. 1.9 billion. We're going to discuss who's getting how much if we win. Okay, guys. So yesterday morning I found that reindeer online, and it's an outdoor reindeer. So we had looked at a fuzzy one at Home Depot, and Honey was like, it can't go outside. It has to go inside. We don't have room for one inside. So I ordered this one, and this one's going to go outside on Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, so tomorrow. On his day off, he's going to figure out how to mount it to where it's not going to blow away. And he wants me, honey, wants me to go get the fuzzy one because he loves it in the house. Oh my gosh, look at it next to Shiva. So anyway, I did get the tree up yesterday. I'm not going to turn the lights on and show it all to you, but honey was like, oh my gosh, I just love how you decorate the tree. It's so elegant. So that made me feel really good. And we did not finish the lights in the front yard because it got kind of windy yesterday afternoon. So we still have to, there's a tree that's kind of Christmas tree shaped by the road. And we're going to light up that tree. Honey's going to put lights all on the front of the house. And we're going to put lights around the deck back here. And you could see we did get the branches up on the archway. So the lights are going to go across the top. They're going to come up. They're going to wrap around and then come down and go across. Ooh, it's cold. So that's the plan. And then, so that should be all done next weekend. He's going to do as much as he can on Wednesday, but I don't know if he's going to get it all finished until next weekend. And that's why we start so early. It takes, 2.5, 3 weeks to get everything all done. So yeah, it'll be still a little while before we can do a complete house tour with the outdoor lights, everything inside, and the outdoor lights. So anyway, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of our new friend. I love him. And he lights up. Do you see that he lights up?